Good afternoon, everyone. This is Joseph Mecha of Mecha Financial Group, Mecha Financial Services. I'm coming to you this afternoon live from Boonesboro, Maryland. I know a lot of my friends, a lot of folks in my network have been asking me to come live, and so one particular topic that most of you have been asking me to talk about is the secrets about life insurance, financial secrets about life insurance that 90% of the people do not know. Now, a lot of people have this misunderstanding or misconception that life insurance is about death. Like, life insurance, you purchase life insurance, it pays if you die. Wrong. Fact. You can actually get a life insurance plan that you do not have to die to use. Have you heard about living benefits life insurance? First secret, first financial secret of life insurance, living benefits life insurance. My friends, living benefits life insurance depending on the policy structure. Depending on the policy structure. A well-structured living benefits life insurance can accomplish a lot of things for you. That particular kind of insurance you do not have to die to use. First, since it's a life insurance policy, knock on wood, in the event of death, that policy will pay a death benefit. 100% tax-free, depending on the policy structure. In the event of a terminal illness, we all go to our doctors every year, we do our annual physicals, but sometimes the doctors may miss something. Or, life happens. You may go to your doctor and your doctor says, look, my friend, you've been coming to us every year. We are sorry, we didn't see this. You have 24 months or less to live. That's bad news, right? If you had a living benefits life insurance policy, let's say you're insured for 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, guess what? You have access to 100% of that death benefit and use it when you're still alive. So therefore, it's giving you that liquidity, use, and control. Second, in the event of a chronic illness, people live with chronic illnesses the rest of their lives. But if you have a chronic illness and that chronic illness makes you to be unable to perform at least only two activities of daily living. If you are unable to perform any two of those activities of daily living, we are talking of things like bathing, eating, toileting, transpiring, dressing, continence, or if one suffers diminished intellectual capacity like cognitive impairment, you will be able to access benefits from that plan and use it when you are still alive. How about critical illness, critical injury? Critical illness, critical injury, we are talking of things like heart attack, stroke, cancer, major organ transplant, blindness, Lou Gehrig's disease, end-stage renal failure, paralysis, coma, severe burns, or serious accidents. These days, we have even 30-year-olds who get serious problems. They have critical injuries. These days, you're driving out there, You don't know. You don't know. Now, a lot of questions that most of you ask is, well, I have a good job. My company has 401k. My company has disability. My company has all this, and they give me bonuses, right? Great. It's good you have a great job. And that's why you need to kind of build a financial wall around your family, so that way when those financial hurricanes come, when those tornadoes come, your family is well protected. Remember, you may have disability on the job. If you are a disability and you meet the criteria, they will pay you not 100% of your salary. They will pay you between 60 to 66% of your salary. Question: your mortgage or your bills are used to 100% of your salary, right? So your employer is going to pay you through that disability 60%. Where is the 40% going to come from? So you're married, you have a wife, husband, kids. So here's the problem. You are home, only one spouse is working. The spouse goes to work, come back home. They got to come back home, take care of the kids and all that, and you're just home, right? And the money is not enough. So it's all you are doing, you're bringing in the 60%. So your spouse has to work extra hard to try to see how they can cover the deficit of 40%. That's why it's very important to take advantage of some of these programs. So, in summary, a living benefits life insurance policy is one of the best kept secrets in this country. All I can ask you, you can reach out to us. You can reach out to Major Financial. You can reach out to me, and we can set up an appointment, or we can set up a session. It's free of charge because I feel if I'm able to educate you, you get enough information to make informed decisions. I'm sure wherever you go, you'll be praying for me. No obligation. It takes 5-10 minute session. I give you a summary. I kind of show you the various options that you can take advantage of out there. And I'm sure if I give you good information, it helps you make an informed decision. You will be out there. I'm sure you will say a good prayer for me. So, living benefits, life insurance, it's one of the best kept secrets. If you don't have that in your portfolio, we're not telling you you don't participate in your employer sponsored plans. Please do. Your 401k. If your employer is matching 5%, 6%, 10%, whatever they are matching, hey, contribute up to that match. Yeah? But be smart about these things. Have a living benefits life insurance plan in your portfolio. The other advantage of a living benefits, other than the ones I said, because it has a death benefit, it has a terminal illness, it has a chronic illness, okay? It has critical illness and critical injury. But you can structure a living benefits plan in a way that it accumulates equity. And once it accumulates equity, you can actually, in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years down the road, tap into that cash, the equity that is accumulated in the plan, and use it to do major purchases. Okay? You can do that. But also, you can also get living benefits plans that have lifetime income benefit options. So you've had the plan, your kids out of college, your mortgage is paid off, You are 65. Does it make sense that you continue paying into a life insurance policy when you retire? No. So at that point, there are certain companies that have a feature that has kind of like an annuity option where you can activate that lifetime income benefit option or lifetime income benefit rider. And once you activate that, the policy turns into a tax-free income distribution. So therefore, they will guarantee you a check, tax-free, for the rest of your life. So what are some of these advantages for a living benefits plan? First, you are able to have control. You have safety. Okay, your money is not going to be exposed to market turbulence, stock market, Bitcoin, whatever, people keep on talking about there, the risky stuff. You get the freedom, you get the control, and you get the privacy. Privacy, folks, privacy. You can be able to borrow money at low cost or net zero cost. Okay, insurance loans, they're kind of wash loans. Okay, so let's say you've had the policy for 5 years, 10 years, if well structured and well funded. And then the 10th year, you have accumulated, let me give you a number, let's say 200,000 worth of equity or cash value in that policy. And you needed the cash. You go to the insurance company and tell them, hey, I need that 100,000 out of the plan in the form of a loan. What the insurance company will do, they will not touch your 200,000. What they will do, they will collateralize or use that 200,000 as collateral. It's still in your policy. It's as though it's not touched. It's going to be in there and earning interest for you. But the insurance company will give you a loan, a low cost or net zero loan from the insurance company general fund. And once they do that, they may charge you interest, but of course by statutes, they cannot charge you interest that is higher than what your policy is earning. Then over the years, if you decide you wanted to pay, the loan back, guess what? You are paying it back to your policy. Okay. Now, with those loans that you get from the insurance policy, your insurance policy, or your living benefits policy, you avoid credit checks or bank approval. So you don't need to worry about, okay, now I need to go to my Experian, Equifax and all that and see what my credit score is before I apply for a loan. No, no questions asked. You don't have to explain to the insurance company, hey, what's the reason you need the loan? No, you don't. No credit checks, no bank approvals needed. You get tax-free retirement income. Yes, 100% tax-free. Once you have had the plan for a certain duration, you have turned at least the retirement age. Most plans is up to age 60. You can actually activate that lifetime income benefit option and you start receiving income. You can actually, for small business owners, you can loan your business money and save on taxes and interest that you would have paid if you got that money loan from a bank or a credit union. You can also be able to recapture lost opportunity costs. Guess what? You're going to keep your money safe from bankruptcy and lawsuits. Of course, it's going to depend on which state you reside. You can also structure your policy in a way that you are able to pay off your debts faster. Okay? Now, that's going to be a topic for another day where we'll talk about debt elimination using a well-structured permanent life insurance policy. So we'll talk about that. But if you need more information, you need a private session, you can reach me at 301-905-7677. You can reach us at info@mechafinancial.com. You can also check us out at mechafinancial.com. Okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. And like us on YouTube, and you can click share with your friends. You have any questions, please reach out. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you, and thanks for always supporting me. All right. God bless you.